Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how you can bleach and pluck your Brazilian hair, like your Brazilian wig. Yes, your closure, your frontal closure. So guys, you all know the last time I did this video about this hair, when I bought it, I unboxed it, where I got this hair from. I got this hair from AliExpress, and I will be using my 40 developer with the bleach. This is what I will be using to bleach my knuckles for my wig. So guys, I bought this hair on AliExpress. Yes, I bought it 113 euro, I think so, 113 euro, and they were doing sales. That is where I bought this hair from. Yes, this is 40 active developer. It's so active, like it's so fast to bleach the knuckles. Like even when I was even bleaching those knuckles, like even when I was bleaching the wig, I didn't leave it for so long. I just put it for like about 5 minutes. Yes, 5 to 6 minutes, it's already bleached. Do you understand? So this is me trying to mix this thing together and all that. So guys, are you just coming across my video for the very first time? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. You can also use the super thanks. That is another way to say guys, I have not even like put condition. This is the outcome. It's good to buy good hair. Yes, did you see any breakage, like the hair is falling off inside the water? There's nothing like that. The hair is so good. Yes, I bought it on AliExpress. That is where I bought this hair from, and this is the hair condition that I will be using. This is what I normally use to wash my hair, the condition and the shampoo. This is what I will be using for this hair, and trust me guys, I've been using this and it's amazing. Like I normally use it to wash my wig, and the reverse, like when the wig have dried, like it's something else. Like it will be very, very, very soft. I left it for about 5 minutes inside the water. Yes, that is what I did. Like after putting up the what is it called, the condition. After putting the condition, I was just massaging it with my hand. Guys, I wish you are the one that is touching this hair. Like this thing is so soft. It's so soft. Even inside the water, the coils is still giving. Like inside the water, the coils is still coming out. Like Mama mia, it's good to buy good hair. Like AliExpress, one thing I like about AliExpress, they have good hair. It depends on the vendor you are buying from. So like I said before, you just have to be careful before you buy any hair from AliExpress, because some are bad though, but you just have to be careful. Do read comments, do look for people that have bought already. Guys, did you see this thing, the way this thing bleached? Like, the hair have already bleached, guys. When I bought this hair, they have already plucked and bleach it. I don't know, maybe they have not bleached it, but I don't know, but I know they have plucked it. Yes, it's what they wrote on the hair, that they have already plucked it. Yes, they have already plucked this hair, but I decided to pluck it on my own. Like, I decided to bleach and pluck. I just want to go through all this process. Like, guys, did you see the hair? Did you see this hair? Like, this hair is giving, even inside the water. Like, this hair is so soft. At this moment you are watching this video, the hair is so soft. Like, I didn't regret buying this hair from AliExpress. I did not regret. This is me. I was just inside there, just feeling the hair. Like, I want to make sure that the hair is clean and well clean. Guys, did you see the lace? Are you seeing the lace? Like, are you seeing the coils inside this water? Like, I'm just feeling, my feelings right now is just the coils. Like, the coils is still there. Like, after putting it inside, there are some hair that you are going to buy at the end of the day, the hair will not be good, and even if you bleach it, you will see that the hair is falling off. Like, the hair is falling off, the hair is breaking, like normal breaking. This is what it looks like after washing it, guys. This is what it looks like. So guys, I'm going to let it to dry. I'll be right back. Please guys, subscribe to my channel, like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video.